ดูภาพตัวคนไหนคนไหนคนวันนี้just like
So now the next thing we check is the air isolation. So we need the car powered on as much as possible with an array, that, like motors, all that. We need to be able to poke high voltage positive and negative. So whatever you got to do to partially disassemble it.
Sure, okay.
Yeah, looks like let's just kind of get a.
Maybe get a video from the other side so you can see the motor controller from the other side of the car.
Is it nice?
yes, yeah.
This is just an ohm meter right now.
I see.
So I'm just trying to find a good spot to measure chassis.
I see.
And I'm thinking this.
The color doesn't speculate.
Yeah, that's probably a decent spot.
This is
That is your chassis.
industrial. So this?
He's holding me. It's from him.
Who's this going?
Do you have any like high voltage label for the motor?
Motor controller. We'll take them down. We can put
Sure.
like a label.
Yeah, you should have like a sticker or
the motor
like this, you know.
On the LEDs on the motor
Yeah.
controller. Sounds good. So disconnect this like this. Thinking about range stickers. Okay, we can turn on the car.
Yep.
Yep. So I'm gonna go on negative.
Go ahead.
For a second. It's going down.
Okay, go to the other side.
No, positive.
Yeah, seems reasonable. Take it. Not like we see 100 volts or anything.
Yeah, that would be really dangerous.
Yeah, just since you got the safety gloves,
Yes.
when you are using high voltage safety, this is just a liner, it's not the glove. Usually you have like a leather cover. Now, if you need the dexterity, it's okay to, but when you do that, you're supposed to do a pinhole check to make sure there's no leaks. Now, for like the voltages here, it doesn't matter. But if you're ever working on like a 480 volt or higher system, like you gotta make sure there's no like holes in the glove. Otherwise, it's just gonna shoot through and get you. How's the battery secured into the car? So is the bracket like attached to the box? Okay, so the ratchets are what actually holding it. It's like a metal, and it's probably pretty strong. So this is your main pack enclosure. Where's your supplemental battery?
It is inside it.
Okay, and there's no other battery
We
enclosure.
have one more supplemental battery, which is in front of the car, and that enclosure on the top right. And that is supplemental.
This here?
This one, yes.
What keeps that lid on?
This zip ties over here. The same as
Do you care about labels on this?
this Kentucky.
It says what it is. Yeah. Doesn't say battery.
Do you have like any fans for your battery?
Yes.
Okay, so these are just passive in fans.
Yes, and then we got exhaust fan.
And the fans are right here.
Yes, the 4 fans.
And they're pushing that.
And yeah, we put
They pull air through the battery.
yes.
Okay. How airtight is that?
It is pretty good. It is a cheap thing, but we have a hydrophobic mesh that blocks all the dust and stuff, and then the ducts are secured using like height tolerances on the top, and then
Is there any other like battery cooling or just those fans?
just those
What powers those fans?
So both, usually it's the battery, but then when it falls, it's the supplemental.
Okay. So typically it's the main pack. Do you have any exotic energy storage other than the battery?
No, this one has a battery.
We got any keys that want to get in the battery?
Your supplemental battery, I'm gonna guess it's not charged in the car.
No, no.
No. All right, I need to see your main pack.
Sure thing.
Fuse.
So you guys are both three?
The battery will be because something like this.
Seems like if we get to a point where you're actually
So yeah,
What time is it?
Yeah, I saw that. So I came over here. So you're having trouble just getting into this app specifically, or
Just this app, well, and the app only. It was just for my phone. Yeah, but this, I had a new phone, so it's using the two-factor to the old phone. So, but so I went to the.
What's going on? I want to see their fuse.
Huh?
I want to see their fuse.
Oh, so they made it through Ford Motion now?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
okay.
got it running. So we're,
Is it see as in visually? If we had a transparent top panel, would this be fine?
I need to see that the fuse is the first thing in the circuit. and
Yeah.
I need to see the rating of the fuse.
Okay.
Which if you have a representative fuse,
That helps.
If that one's
Sure.
like in a, because it's supposed to be an enclosure, like a cover.
Yeah.
So
So we would have to open the enclosure. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
I want to see where it's mounted, and I want to see the wiring also of the battery.
All right. Yeah. Simon, we have to open the enclosure around the fuse. Do we have an Allen key for this?
Well, I need to see the rating of the fuse. So if you have a spare, I'm okay with
Okay.
that.
Sounds good. We have both. We can grab the Allen key or we can grab one of the stairs.
I can start asking questions about currents and wire ratings. Sounds good. Yeah. What's your expected max current roll?
You know what it's
60 amps. 60 amps.
We already posted.
Okay. So your fuse is in there.
Yeah.
And where's the positive of the battery?
Positive is towards the top.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
What's this thing here?
It's a bus bar, and that's a current sensor, Hall effect.
Okay, so it's Hall effect around the bus bar.
Yep.
Okay, I'm okay with that.
I talked to them. The packet case will come off.
What'd you rate that bus bar to?
Sorry.
The bus bar, like what's the current rating?
The current rating we calculated for the max, it was for the length that we should have, it was around 2 millimeters. But we have gone with 15 millimeters, like maximum that is in our Hall effect sensor that we can go. Have the calculation.
Also, it's like what at the maximum temperature that you're willing to let that bus bar get to, like what's that steady state current?
Sure, it's like over 100 amps. Yeah, like way over 100 amps. How does it work? So basically, over here we are maintaining 75 amps. With 75 amps, the bus bars length should be 1.5 millimeters. But ours is basically 10 times bigger than this, and we have gone as maximum as our Hall effect sensor allows us.
Okay, what's the main fuse rating?
The main fuse is 80 amps.
Alright, we'll verify that if we got the spare.
Sounds good.
And then so it's all bus bar up until where does it become
Right here and here. Just on the positive terminals and negative terminals of the motor controller, which is the right ampersand here.
okay?
Yep.
And what is this? Does this go to a connector or does it go out?
It goes directly to this connector.
It goes to the ampersand.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right here.
It goes directly into it. Yeah.
Okay, what's the current rating of that?
Currently on this pass, it's a 6-gauge wire based on NEC ratings. They have 105 amps for a single conductor.
So this is just NEC cable.
Yes.
This is 6-gauge. And you're going to this is 80 amps.
Okay, so I need okay, so I need 9 flash switches.
That wire, the highest this chart goes to is 75.
Oh yeah, sorry, this is for the 3 current carrying one? Yeah.
What's this other connector?
That is for the arrays. So
Okay.
yes, we have a red is motor bus and gray is
Yeah.
array bus.
Okay, and where's the wire behind the array connector?
The array connector is this positive right here and this negative right here.
Okay, is there a fuse for that?
Yes, there is. It's in here. So that would be a 20 amp fuse.
Oh, so it's going through this process and then goes through the fuse and the
Yeah. So it would connect through here, and that's a high limiter, so this prevents any charge from going into the pack if you're overcharged. And then it goes through a 20 amp fuse back into the positive limiter.
Okay.
Yep. 20 amps just came from maximum theoretical limit is 6 amps. And we have constraints, so possibly 18 amps, so 20 amps.
Yeah.
And also the charge.
What's this wire?
That should be 12 gauge.
Are you okay with that wire getting up to like 90 C?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Are you okay with that wire getting up to like 90 C?
Simon.
that's the reason for single conductor. Yes.
Jeff was asking, are you okay with like using 12 gauge when we're going up to 90 C?
No, are you okay with this wire getting up to like 80 or 90 C?
That one, yeah. It goes over 90 C. Yeah. Like it's rated for it.
I mean, just like the stuff in your enclosure, like is anything bad going to happen?
No, nothing. You have
Oh,
enough
the
space.
is just a fuse. It's bus bar to right through the
Sorry, like this 3D printed part will probably melt, right?
I think it's 10, so the temperature rating on 50.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
It's like if, let's say there's a fault,
Absolutely.
and we've got like about 20 amps going through, like this wire is gonna get pretty toasty.
Fuse is really controllable.
Yeah. Well, it's like just going off, since it sounds like you're using ampacity charts, like it's like the fuse is a little large for that wire.
Yes.
So like, it just means it's gonna get potentially really toasty in there. Like it's right, like it's fine. I'm not gonna.
No, that's a good consideration.
So for a 6 gauge wire for a single conductor, 105. Yeah.
All right. You're okay with it going to 90 C?
Yeah, our installation is like higher than that.
Well, it's not just insulation. It's like all the junk in your box.
That's right.
If you're okay with that, then
Yeah, our BPS, if it goes over like 60 C, it's just gonna like fuck the battery nevertheless.
are those the only two high voltage connectors coming out?
That's right. Yes.
Okay. I'm okay with it. Yeah. So I looked at it earlier. The power on off.
This,
Yeah, high development. So I request either larger labels or bring a measurement device and show me that it's 10 millimeters. I'm gonna give you the yellow one I got.
yeah, we can definitely print like bigger than this. I'm just sure this is like
That F might be okay, but that O.
okay. Yeah, we can definitely print like bigger labels.
Because I mean, the regs explicitly spell it out. It makes sense. Your cable size. Your accelerator pedal. Push it in. Let go. Do you have cruise control? Cruise control? No.
So if we get it, I can just get it really right now.
So we made it through. Overall, pretty good. There's two yellows. One of them is just securing like the security device in the battery. So really, it's just that one label there.
We're getting a ruler right now too. So
Okay, if you show me it's 10 millimeters.
Yeah, okay.
You got a measurement device?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. You just need
No,
it after the inject.
it's like an anti-tamper seal.
Security, not only impound. This has nothing to do with impound. This is battery security. No, the problem is you put a security seal outside of your BPS sack.
It's a confusing term. We put an anti-tamper seal so that you can't remove modules without coatings.
And your design is such that it doesn't allow BPS access, which was warned to you before now.
All right, add some embellishments to the end.
This is so fun.
Is it good?
No? Yes? Yeah. The one side of the end. Okay, I'll do the other.